Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to use any preferable background instead of green or blue screen background. It means if you film or shoot any video with green or blue screen, that time you can change or remove it and will use any of your preferable background. It can be video background or it can be picture background. Alright, for your best result, let's start practically. Look at, I already imported 3 files. This is green screen file, this is picture file, and this is video background file. Now I'm selecting this video background file, then drag and drop it into timeline like this. Let's play a little bit. Actually this video footage I will use as a background. Okay, at the moment I am selecting our main file, that's mean this green screen file, then drag and drop it into timeline like the before. Now you can delete the additional part or just select the background, then set it like this. Now choose the marker in here and hit on here, that means split option. Now choose the additional part and press delete from your keyboard. Okay, now let's play the video a little bit.
Welcome to Optimal. Does anyone know the medicinal benefits of drinking herbal tea?
Okay, now I want to remove this green screen. To do that, select the green screen layer like this. I'm selecting on it. Then click right button of your mouse. Now you can select this option, green screen option. Otherwise you can choose this option in different way. Just close it, then again select it. Now look this option, green screen option. That means it's same option. So you can select from here or just select the layer, then click right button of your mouse and choose green screen option. After that you will get this interface. Look the chroma key option. Now look the preview section guys. Already the green screen has been gone, right? Now you can see your preferable background, right? But it's not clear. So at the time I will set it as well. To do that, at first select the first option, that's mean offset option. I'm picking the slider point, then change it. Just follow me guys. I think 10 is good. You can change the dimension till being perfect. Now I'm changing the tolerance a little bit. Just follow me guys. I select the point, then move it. I think 45 is good for the video footage. Now I'm changing this option a little bit. Simply select the slider point, then move it as you need. It seems to me perfect. Finally choose the last one, which is called edge feather. Just select the point and set it as you like. I think this is good. After setting your all requirement, simply hit on OK. Yes, my dear students, it's done. Let's play. For checking, just follow carefully.
Welcome to Optimal. Does anyone know the medicinal benefits of drinking herbal tea? Yes, drinking tea has many health benefits.
Wow, it's look really awesome, right? Suppose right now I will use the picture background instead of this video background. So I select the video background from here like this. Then press delete from your keyboard. Yes, it has been gone. Now I'm choosing this picture background. Then drag and drop it right here. Now I set it on the entire video. Now again select the layer and click right button of my mouse, then pick crop to fit. Yes, now it has been adjusted properly, right? Moreover, play the video for checking.
Welcome to Optimal. Does anyone know the medicinal benefits of drinking herbal tea? Yes, drinking tea has many health benefits.
Yes, it looks great. Therefore, my dear lovely students, I hope in this way you can use any background instead of green or blue skin background. Finally, I want to mention you one most important thing. If you want to use this technique, that time your video background must be green skin or blue skin. Otherwise, it won't work. Thank you very much for staying with me.